Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca of the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. Hope you were able to enjoy today's beautiful weather after a cloudy start. Sunshine taking over and really helping out the temperatures as expected. Upper 60s, even 70 today in Smithfield, 68 Providence, mid to upper 60s along the coastline. We're going to be several degrees cooler for tomorrow. In fact, they're closer to average. We're thinking upper 50s to lower 60s. Overall, Tuesday looks pretty good before we bring in a storm system for later Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So threat tracker tonight, Monday night through Tuesday, low-level green. We'll bump it up to yellow by Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. Another coastal storm, heavy rain, strong wind. Should be a quick hitter, and unlike the last storm, which really stuck around for like 3 days, this one should be in and out rather quickly. So here's the breakdown. A clear night tonight. Beautiful weather coming up on a Tuesday, and then that midweek storm. Not so much during the morning or even early afternoon. It looks more of a Wednesday evening, especially Wednesday night, and into at least Thursday morning with significant rain and wind. In the meantime, skies are clear across southern New England. Here's the wider view. Clouds offshore, some more clouds through upstate New York, but it's fairly quiet. So let me show you the weather players that we're watching. A system across the northern plains and on the U.S.-Canadian border. What will happen is they'll track to the east over the next couple of days, and by Wednesday afternoon and evening, a secondary storm along the east coast will take shape. Now, where exactly that storm development takes place and the exact track Wednesday evening, Wednesday night will dictate the amount and distribution of both heavy rain and wind. So while we feel as though stormy weather is likely, we'll have to iron out some of the details as far as rain amounts and the strength of the wind, and we'll do that in the next 24 hours, but feel as though widespread rain and wind likely on your Wednesday night. In fact, let's jump ahead. So, tonight's fine. All of Tuesday is quiet, so we're going to start things Wednesday morning at 8 o'clock, and it's actually nice at that time. It's dry, a little bit of sunshine through increasing clouds. So the main storm center, it'll be passing through the Great Lakes into southeastern Canada, and it's right down in here. A secondary storm will form and then move up the east coast into our area. So this is 8 o'clock Wednesday morning. You take note of that secondary storm now starting to form by Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening. So the evening commute on Wednesday should have some rain and increasing wind, and you see heavier rain across the mid-Atlantic. This will overspread the area Wednesday night. In fact, here we are at 11 o'clock Wednesday night with widespread heavy rain, downpours, and some strong wind. And the exact strength and track of this storm, again, will determine how much rain and wind. In the meantime, let's go back to the next roughly 24 hours and take a look at the overnight and into your Tuesday morning, which is pretty quiet. By 7 a.m., a chilly start, what you would expect for mid-October at 7 a.m., so it's in the middle 40s. Plenty of sunshine, beautiful day. Once we get towards the early to mid-afternoon hours, we're in the upper 50s to lower 60s, about 61, 62. So pretty nice. Blue skies, dry air, and comfortable. Tuesday evening, 7 o'clock, we're looking pretty good. And then later Tuesday night at 11 o'clock, clear and seasonably cool with temperatures back into the 40s. So for your Tuesday morning, sunshine, dry, and cool, mid-40s at sunrise, then heading up to the 50s to eventually lower 60s for Tuesday afternoon. So in a light northwest breeze, about 5 to 10. All right, 7-day forecast. Taking apart Wednesday in more detail, the morning looks fine. Wednesday afternoon, still dry, at least the early afternoon, increasing clouds. And then by late day, early evening, we'll bring in some rain. And a lot of rain and wind on Wednesday night. Now by Thursday, cooler day, windy all day. That storm is spinning off the coast of Maine, but still giving us at least some rain during, especially Thursday morning. I wouldn't rule out some showers Thursday afternoon, but the rain extending into Thursday morning, remaining windy all day, and that'll set the stage for blustery, cool weather on Friday in the upper 50s. And right now, the early call on the weekend is for sunshine and milder temperatures, both Saturday and especially on Sunday. So looking good for your Tuesday night, even into Wednesday morning. But once we get towards Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, through at least Thursday morning, coastal storm bringing some significant rain and wind. So you certainly want to check back to further updates. That's the latest forecast on Weather Now. Thanks for logging in, and we'll talk to you soon.